Yeah, it did.
Just that quick. Oh, it's coming back down.
There's like multiple ones that you can see here. It's gonna do it again.
There's one over here to the right.
Yep. This one's starting to come back down over here though. See that light spot right there?
Yeah.
And that's just nuts looking. Oh, there's one that's trying to come down right in front of the rain. Oh, shoot, this one came down and I wasn't paying attention. Look what it's trying to do right there. Holy smoke. Look at that one's full-blown tornado right now. There's debris and everything, Amy. Right there. That's a white cloud right there. See that shit coming up?
I see it, but I don't see the debris.
That's what that light cloud is on the bottom. That's dirt. That's debris. And it's trying to start another one over to the right. It's amazing the birds are still chirping. Got a picture of a motorcycle and a tornado in one shot. I don't know, it's going back up now.